Get into a car with value. 2025 Subaru Outback. Here's a sure-footed Outback that delivers versatility, comfort, and peace of mind. The sky's the limit on every adventure in this down-to-earth companion. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, keyless entry, moonroof, satellite radio, premium sound system, backup camera, heated front seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, power liftgate. Indulge your adventurous side in this well-equipped Outback. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.